Unlock the power to create professional, legally sound contracts in minutes with Pandadoc. Ever felt overwhelmed by the thought of drafting a contract? Traditional methods can be time-consuming and prone to error, but what if there was a way to simplify the entire process, from start to finish, and ensure your agreements are secure? Today, we're diving into how Pandadoc makes contract creation not just manageable, but remarkably efficient. The first step is to access your Pandadoc account. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard to begin. Simply click the Create Document button. This will present you with a few options, but for crafting a professional contract, we recommend starting with a template. Pandadoc offers a vast library of pre-built templates for various business needs, including non-disclosure agreements, service agreements, and more. You can browse these or use the search bar to find exactly what you're looking for this tutorial. Let's select a standard service agreement. Once you've chosen a template, it will open in Pandadoc's intuitive editor. This is where you personalize your contract. You'll see placeholder fields for client names, dates, scope of work, payment terms, and other crucial details. Simply click on any of these fields, and you can directly type in your specific information. Feel free to adjust the language to perfectly match your agreement. Pandadoc's editor allows for easy text formatting, so you can ensure clarity and professionalism. Beyond just filling in text, you can also add other essential elements. Look for the Add field options. This lets you easily insert signature fields for all parties, date fields, checkboxes, or even custom questions you want to ask your clients before they sign. Once your contract is fully customized and all fields are in place, it's time to send it for signature. Click the Send button, typically found in the top right corner. Here, you'll enter the email addresses of the parties who need to sign. You can also add a personalized message to accompany the contract. Ensure you've assigned the correct signature fields to each recipient. Your recipients will then receive an email with a link to view and sign the document directly within their browser. Pandadoc ensures that all signatures are legally binding and secure. After everyone has signed, the completed contract will be stored securely within your Pandadoc account, easily accessible whenever you need it. You've just drafted and finalized a professional contract, faster and with more confidence than ever before. Ready to streamline your business agreements? Try Pandadoc today and master the art of professional contract creation.